Greetings everyone. I want to show you the Grand Circle parka that they give you for the Antarctic trip. I know my setup isn't very good. I'm going to try to keep in the middle of this green screen, but this is what it looks like. It's the Grand Circle line, and this one is a large. You know, I'm about 6'3", and I have to buy tall man shirts to get the sleeves long enough for me. So this is a tall man shirt with really long sleeves. And I thought these jackets aren't going to work out good because the sleeves will be too short. Now they said when you order it, don't order a size too big because these run kind of big. So I said, okay, I'm not going to order an extra large. I'm just going to order a large. So let's see how it fits. Here we go. And sleeves are pretty good. Not bad. You got your Velcro fasteners here on the sleeves. You can do that. So they're pretty good. My shirt hangs out just a little bit, but not much. And so this is about the best that I can expect for a tall person. But it's just good here. Fairly slim, so it's pretty nice. The only thing I don't like on it is the zipper, which is on the left-hand side. So for you ladies, you're probably used to that. But we men, we're used to having that little thing to pull the zipper up always on the right-hand side. So that's going to take some getting used to get this in here. And it's apparently a two-way zipper because there's like two zippers on here. There's one there and one there. So I guess you can open it from the bottom if you need to move around. So you gotta watch this when you zip it up because it takes a little bit of work. So if you're out in the cold, in the snow, and with the walruses around you, and you unzip this to get it back zipped up, it takes some work because you got to go through two zippers to get that locked in there. Yeah, and it still doesn't want to work. So try that. Let's see, I'm still working on it. There we go. Now you got it zipped up. And once you get it zipped up, you got your collar here. Got a couple of Velcro fasteners here, one down the bottom. You got pockets here. Pockets have zippers on, which is a good thing. So if you put something in there, they're pretty big pockets too. You're not going to lose it. One on both sides. And nothing at the top. Oh, there's a pocket in here too. So you got one in here if you want to put a phone or a camera or a snack or something there. You're all set. Here's the back of it, and like I said, if I take this off on the bottom, I can zip up from the bottom if I want, and zip that down. And it takes. I'm still reaching for the right side with the zipper, but it's not too bad. Look on the inside. It's not super warm. I mean, it has like this built-in lining. I don't think you can take it out. You might be able to, but there's a drawstring on the bottom where you can tie it up, I think. Yeah, little pull things here so you can tighten it up on the bottom. And of course it's made in, the label at the top, it says made in China, of course. And let's see, another drawstring in here for the waist. And you can pull that. Like I said, it's kind of like a fleece type thing, not super thick. The sleeves don't have too much of a lining, so they're actually kind of thin there. So, but you got a hood on the back too. If you open this up with the Velcro, and one reason I do want to use this compared to my other dual jacket where I have two jackets built in one. That's really nice, super warm, waterproof. It doesn't have a hood. This one does have a hood on it, so it's not too bad then. So, okay, I'm signing off now, and hope it works out for you. That's the jacket there. This is a large. This is a large here. Okay, any questions, just email me. Bye-bye. Bye.